Hello, all businessmen, young professionals, executive, OFW, and house buyers. Are you looking for a house and lot for sale in Quezon City with modern and stylish design? Allow us to introduce this 3-story house and lot for sale located in Tandang Sora, Quezon City. Malapit lang po siya sa Mindanao Avenue with easy access travel going to SM North or North Luzon Expressway and to Skyway. So here are the details of this house for sale. We have a remote control bifold gate. We have a 2-car garage for your 2 large vehicles. At the entrance of the house, we have a solid main door with security door lock. At the ground floor, here is our wide living area. May malaking mirror sa wall, maaliwalas po siya, may malaking TV console at cabinets, beautiful cove light and ceiling lights, at may powder room. Beside the living area, here is our elegant kitchen. Very nice and elegant cabinets, may induction hob and range, microwave, at may oven. Beside the kitchen, here is our dining area na may magandang cove light at can accommodate up to 8-seater dining table.
Then we have our service area or daily kitchen. Then sa side po, nandiyan po ang ating maid's room at may sariling toilet and bath ang ating maid's room.
Okay, let's check the second floor.
At the second floor, we have 3 bedrooms. Tara, let's check the first bed. So this is our first bedroom.
So here is our first bedroom. Spacious po siya. Very nice cabinets with study table, modern light and ceiling,
May free aircon at may sariling toilet and bath. This is our second bedroom.
spacious din po siya with cabinets, large study area, free aircon,
At may sariling toilet and bath.
Then this is our third bedroom. Madaming windows kaya maaliwalas, with free aircon, TV console, study table, malalaking cabinets, at may sariling toilet and bath.
At the second floor also, we have a large balcony.
Na may magandang view ng swimming pool at clubhouse.
Let's check the third floor.
At the third floor, we have a large family room, with TV console, modern ceiling lights, fluted panel walls, with powder room,
At the third floor, here is our large master's bedroom.
very spacious, it has many windows kaya maaliwalas, stylish headboard, with TV console, and with free aircon. Within the master's bedroom, we have a walk-in closet, and it has its own toilet and bath.
Lastly, here's our balcony at the third floor.
We hope you like this modern and stylish house and lot for sale located in Tandang Sora near Mindanao Avenue, Quezon City. For viewing schedule and further inquiries, please contact The Great Empire Realty at our Viber number 0977-859-0581. Thank you very much and God bless to all.